Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Google Play gift card. So for that, you need to go on to the Amazon and you need to log in into your Amazon account. And after that, you need to search for Google Play gift card. So you need to search that onto the Amazon. Wait for a few seconds here, and here you can see that Google Play gift code. Select that, and once you select it, you can see that what design that you want onto your card. So I want this one, and this is a card detail amount that you want. So I want a $150. Set delivery is by text message or email, so it is up to you. Add your detail and you simply need to click on buy now. After that, your payment will be completed. So this is the process how you can buy Google Play gift card. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.